So put it this way, in comparison to MIG welding, CMT generates only 1/10 of the heat. So melting and warp back are all but eliminated.
What did you say? Melting and warp back?
Warping and melt back. So put it this way, in comparison to MIG welding, CMT only generates 1/10 of the heat. So melting and warp back are all but eliminated. I'm not going to be able to say this now. Warping and melt back. So put it this way, in comparison to MIG welding, CMT only generates 1/10 of the heat. So melting and warp... Fuck! Oh, I'm never going to get this. Alright, so let's get started with our first question.
Nice. If I mix my cards up, it's the wrong question. I'll shuffle them around. Sorry, buddy.
Do you offer custom lathe parts?
Absolutely. Our CNC machining division is equipped with live tooling lathes. Live tooling lathes. No, we're alright.
Do you offer custom lathe parts?
Absolutely. Our CNC machining division is equipped with...
Alright.
I want to laugh right now.
I know. Do you offer custom lathe parts?
Do that again. I was smiling at the camera.
Alright. Do you offer custom lathe parts?
Absolutely. Our CNC machining division is equipped with live tooling lathes as well as 5-axis mills. I ran out of breath.
Do you offer in-house welding?
Yes. We offer a form of welding called cold metal transfer. It produces an improved weld-be aesthetic.
Ready?
Yes.
Do you offer in-house welding? Do you offer
when
in-house
you do
welding?
questions back to back so fast, it makes me laugh.
Do you offer in-house welding?
Yes.
Do you offer in-house welding?
Yes.
I know, I was trying not to laugh that time too. Alright.
Okay.
And then of course, in order to have a stable enclosure, I'm going to place 3 more rubber foot. Yes, that's a fucking word. So then the heat's going to be able to dissipate from the enclosure, electronics are on the inside. That's fucking not even close.
Our bending tolerance comes... Would you shut up?
I'm sorry, did you hear that?
What was it?
I don't know what happened to your throat.
Me?
Yes.
I don't think it was me.
Are you sure? It was in my ear. It was in my ear.
So besides taking these specific measures that I've already gone over for if your parts have graphics or if they don't have graphics, there's a few other tips I can give you to keep your...
Roller.
Finally, you may have to transport your custom enclosures and parts to meetings, maybe with other people in your organization or to meet with investors. In those cases, I highly recommend these...
Oh, it's picking.
Okay. They're a great way to protect your enclosures and parts while also making them be easily accessible.
I don't know if I can check.
No.
This is the fastest way to design, quote, and order your custom enclosures. Brackets and panels. Oh, I thought that was a period. I thought that was a period and had a comma. If you have any questions, comment below or email info@protocase.com. Thanks for tuning in.
Next up, try minimizing bulk material removal. Next up, try minimizing bulk material removal. Next up, try minimizing bulk. Next up, try minimizing bulk material removal. I don't know if I'll get that. Next up, try minimizing. Got that.
Tin plating is a process that uses a simple immersion technique that deposits...
So next up we have acetyl. Acetyl is often used to make clamps for cables or bus bars, fiber optic tray panels, or panels.
With a prototyping blanket order, you can Shit. Once you're good to go, you can continue to release your design to be made in the quantities that you need. Typically batches are in 5. Batches are in 5. Batch 5.
That's 5.
Thanks very much for watching this week's Protocase Tech Tip. I thought I had that.
So first off, we have piano hinges, and these are made from either aluminum, stainless steel, or steel. I said them wrong. It doesn't matter, but it feels better to say it the other way.
Well, that's it, folks.